and which can make the life also complete. So when I say I have an experience of itching, I'm consumed by this experience. When I'm consumed by this experience, first thing to understand that the mind has a wrong capacity. Whenever we have pain, anxiety, duality, conflict, I must become aware, mind, why you are using your capacity wrongly, falsely. So there is no itching. Yes, there is a itching. No problem at all. There is an itching. But is this itching belongs to me or to the body? I am the body. No, I am not the body. What causes an experience of the itching? The thought associated with the feeling. You are a seeker. That's why I'm talking at the higher level.
No.
So you see that, thought is there, that I experience the itching and associated with an emotion and the feeling, and that feeling is, itching is also a kind of a pain. Oh, so the mind gets associated that I'm the body, it is experiencing as if I am experiencing the itching. I don't want to leave the wrong notion that I am the body. Go to the doctor, tell him, give me a strong dose of anesthesia, and then you don't feel the itching. In deep sleep, what I say deep sleep, dreamless sleep. Mind is not there, so the problem is not there. Two more things to understand clearly. If I am not the body, then I have to find out what causes the mind to force me to experience the pain. It is my identification that I am the body. See the other side of it. If I'm not the body, then my mind is calm and relaxed. I am aware what best thing I have to do with the itching to get rid of it. Mind remains calm and relaxed. Now, third aspect is to reflect on it. Now, even if I am the body, Gita, I'm going to the Gita. Even if I am the body, do I know the constant changing nature of the body?